In this video, I'll show you how to earn free PayPal money in 2021 with just your phone, which is available worldwide. How do we do it? You're about to find out. This is how to earn money with your phone. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notifications on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. That way, I can notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it and, of course, make the most money. With that said, enjoy! Welcome to Dr. Profit, where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online. If you like this type of content, consider giving us a like, commenting down below, and subscribing to the channel. We regularly release new ways of making a profit, so it's a good idea to ring that bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Alright, let's get back into the video. How does earning $5 every single minute sound? If that sounds good to you, then this amazing website will pay us $5 each and every minute. We can get paid fast, and they have many withdrawal options. As you can see here, people from all over the world are getting paid over $5 every minute. So, in today's video, I'll show you how you can earn free PayPal money super fast. You can do this from your smartphone, PC, or from any device, and this is also available worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can earn money from this website. If you watch this video until the end, I'll show you how to sign up for free, how to earn money on this website, how to withdraw your earnings, and I'll even show you bonus websites as well, which are additional platforms that I'd like to share with you in order for you to maximize your earnings and results, with even one of these platforms paying up to $3 just to sign up. So keep on watching. Now let's get started. First, I want you to go to this amazing website. This is the website that will pay us free PayPal money, and also this is 100% free. On this website, we can earn money by completing offers like watching entertaining videos and taking short surveys. Now I know that many of us don't like to take surveys because they are rather boring and they take a lot of time, but don't worry, this website is not like that, and that is why I love this website. Their surveys are very easy and they take about 2 minutes to complete. However, if you don't like to take surveys, you can also earn money by completing offers, which are also very simple and easy. So, as you can see here, we will get paid fast. They have many withdrawal options as well, and that's one thing that I really like about this website. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, you can withdraw your earnings through Skrill, Amazon gift cards, Tango, or even Bitcoin. And the best part about this website is that you can do this with just your phone. In fact, it works better with your phone than with your laptop or PC. Alright, this is how you can create an account for free. Just click on this Join Free button, and then it will take us over to their sign up page right here. So on here, you just need to enter your name, username, password, and email address, and then enter your address, city, zip code, and select your country. Again, this works all over the world. It works in India, Philippines, United States, Indonesia, Nigeria, and in any other country in the world. So once you select your country, you just need to enter your withdrawal options. After that, click these boxes, verify the CAPTCHA, and then click register. This is how it will look like once you've created your account. As you can see, congratulations, you have been successfully registered. Now, I want you to take a look at this right here. We have already added your 20 cents join bonus to your account balance, and you'll be able to make your first cash out when your balance is over $1. That is absolutely amazing. We just need to earn $1 single to withdraw our earnings. Now, what we're gonna do is earn money on this website. To do so, just click on Earn Money. And then, as you can see here, there are many surveys which we can take and earn money. As I said earlier, these surveys are very simple and easy. Now, we're gonna click on Popular Surveys. Once you click on it, you'll see right here, these are the highest paying surveys that you can complete for free. Take a good look at these surveys. This one pays us 30 cents. This one pays us 30 cents as well. And this survey pays us 50 cents. Right here, 65 cents, 80 cents, and 85 cents just to complete simple surveys. Now, one of the things that I really like about this website is that we can take surveys an unlimited number of times, unlike other survey websites which have limited surveys. And the best part is that this is not the only way we can earn money on this website. You can complete offers, you can watch videos, and you can earn money by referring your friends as well. Now, this website is called rewardingways.com, but don't go straight to this website yet because I'll show you how to withdraw your earnings first. I'll show you bonus websites as well, but first, how to withdraw our earnings. Now, I'm on the home page, so to withdraw our earnings, we just need to click on Withdraw Cash. Once you've clicked on it, you can now cash out your earnings through PayPal, Skrill, or Bitcoin. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, which I put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I'd really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notifications on. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now, here's the bonus website that I've promised you, which are additional platforms that I'd like to share with you in order for you to maximize your earnings and results. So first, this is the website that will pay us $3 just for signing up. This is a similar website to rewardingways.com, but this website pays more than the former. As you can see, they also have many withdrawal options, so you don't have to worry if you don't have a PayPal account, as you can use another option. This website is called Squishycash.com. Here are some payment proofs of people getting paid from this website. So this is how you can create a free account on this website. First, click on Join. Then, we just need to enter some information and we can sign up for free. Once you create an account, you can earn money by watching videos, completing offers, taking surveys, and playing games. Once again, this website is called Squishycash.com. Now, another website that I want to share with you is called Timebox.com. It's a really great website because it pays you for some really unique stuff. Like it's gonna pay you to post on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, and the likes. They also have an option for you to get paid for just watching short videos. I really love this website because they have daily bonuses. Each time you log into your account, they'll give you some absolutely free bonuses. And yes, you can start earning instantly, which means you don't have to wait around for weeks to get accepted into something. You can sign up today and be able to earn money, which you can then spend on whatever you want to. So just come over to timebox.com. You can either sign up with Facebook, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of a button, or you can do so by entering your email address manually and creating a password. Now, once you create an account, just log in and this is what you'll see. This is a brand new account. You can see people from all over the world making money. Like every couple of minutes, people are being paid with this website. You have people from India and the Philippines that are making money every single day, and people from all over the world are using this website because it's all absolutely free. And it's really easy too. You can just go to the Earn section over here, complete different surveys, different tasks. You can also get paid for watching videos under the Offer Walls and Tasks section. Once again, this website is called Timebox.com. Sign up for free and get paid without investing any money, and that wraps it up. That is exactly how you earn free PayPal money with just your phone. And now, if you want to earn even more money, check the first link in the video description below to discover how to get paid $150 to watch videos, which is a new strategy to earn free PayPal money for watching videos online this 2021, which anyone, even those without previous experience, can do. Yes, it is possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Dr. Profit, the channel where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online in order to make a profit. Try the method we showed you today and tell us about what types of content you'd like us to cover next in the comments section down below. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time.